by Darcy Coates. Narrated by Piper Goodeve. Copyright 2015 by Darcy Coates.
Audible hopes you have enjoyed this program.
Her deep into the trees, far more than silence.
So, I try to talk. Just finished Handmaid's Tale. The story itself is more like 4 stars for me. But the introduction is definitely 5 stars. And I love Margaret Atwood a lot. That's all I'm gonna say now. You'll have to wait for the wrap-up.
And she had to obey.
I'm Vanessa, and welcome back to the Haunted Writers Retreat. Today is hopefully going to be better than our last couple days.
Hey guys, it is noon on Thursday. I've gained a little bit of my voice back, which is great. I'm still gonna keep quiet quite a bit, because tomorrow I have a very important meeting that is probably also very long. And yeah, still hope if I keep quiet today, tomorrow I will have my voice back. I just wanted to quickly mention that I'm listening to Saul Kill Girls right now, and I'm reading Strange Grace, which is probably not the best combination because both books deal with 3 main characters and both books have to do with some kind of monster in the woods. And so I'm a little bit afraid that I get stuff confused and it's already starting. So I hope that I can finish Strange Grace very quickly. Move on to a book that is not so similar to Saw Kill Girls. But I'm enjoying both so far, even though I feel like I've only, just arrived at where things get a little bit more heated. I'm halfway through Strange Grace now, and I am loving it. It's definitely crazy stuff, but it's really good. Hey guys, so it's quite early today. I have a very busy day at work today, I think, so I'm not quite sure how tired I will be tonight. I'm not sure how much I will get read today. I would love to read the next 100 pages in Strange Grace. I definitely want to finish it this weekend. I'm right at the halfway point, so I have less than 200 pages left. I'm really enjoying it. I did not think that they would go into the forest that soon, but yeah, I'm really interested to see where the story goes. I have no expectations, to be honest. I don't know what's going on. And I'm 4 hours, more than 4 hours into Saw Kill Girls, and I will listen to a little bit more. So I will reach the halfway point as well pretty soon. But yeah, I'm just taking my time with it a little bit, because as I said, those 2 books are very similar and I don't want to get them confused too much. But I think now that I have left the beginning behind, how the story progresses is very different in those books, so it's a little bit easier for me to keep track of. Hey guys, it's Saturday. I'm having a bit of a meh day today. I wanted to finish Strange Grace today, but I don't think that will happen. I have about 150 pages left, maybe a little bit less, but yeah, we'll see. I try to keep reading it later on, but I'm just not feeling great today. So for now, I think I will go and do some grocery shopping, get all the stuff I need for this weekend. And then also they just announced the next Tome Topple round. And since I still have the Goldfinch lying around here from the library, I think this might be the first time I participate in Tome Topple. So let me know if you've ever done that and if you enjoyed it. But yeah, it might be a good way to get me to read this book very soon and quickly and get it back to the library. So yeah, but that will happen in November, so I will have a separate vlog for that later. So I hardly read more than 50 pages today, which is really disappointing, but I will finish this book tomorrow, I promise. I really, really, really want to finish this tomorrow and start my new book. So yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the Haunted Mansion. Today I have a few changes that I want to talk about really quick before...
So I'm exactly 50 pages from the end now, and this is so gripping. Like, there's so much stuff happening and so many twists and turns, and I just really want to know the end. So I finished Strange Grace. I really enjoyed this book. I think I would give it 4 stars because, you know, I enjoyed it, but it's not like a new favorite book. I think compared to the Queens of Innisleer, which is also by Tessa Gretton, I think, I liked this one less, but I still really enjoyed it, and I think it's very gripping, very captivating. I love the main characters, I love their interactions, and yeah, it was just overall a very good book, and I really liked it. Also in this book is the short story that this is inspired by, and I think that one is also really good. I really think Tessa Gretton has a great way to write and to captivate you and to create very prominent images in your head. So yeah, I'm really happy I finished this, so I can now start the last book that is on my TBR for this month. And that last book is Into the Drowning Deep by Mira Grant, which is Charlotte McGuire. It's her pen name. So I'm really excited about this one as well. This is a bit shorter as a book, not page-wise, but you know, the book itself, the height is shorter than the other one, but it's also quite long, so we'll see whether I can do this in the last couple of days. For now, I have some other stuff I want to do, like cleaning my apartment a little bit more, and I wanted to bake some pumpkin cookies. So yeah, that's my plan for now. I am so excited for these little suckers. Try working with a cat. Yum, 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 yum. Sometimes I think she really hates me. This is my spot. So I just got my little box of Hey Mountain goodies out because I wanted to order some more stuff. Not that I need it, like I still have a ton of bath bombs left. But I did order some other things, also some gifts for friends and such. So I'm super excited for that package, and I'll definitely do a video about it because I love their autumn and winter and Christmas stuff. So excited. So I was planning on watching a creepy movie tonight, but now that I'm out of the shower, I'm not feeling it. So maybe instead I'll just watch a Sims video and then start my next book, which is Into the Drowning Deep. I've read the first 50 pages of Into the Drowning Deep so far, and it is definitely getting me creeped out already. The first couple of chapters are like flashback things, and it's all about this ship that basically disappeared, and they found the ship, but there was no one on it anymore, and they were trying to do a mockumentary about mermaids. And now it's about a girl who is looking for her sister who was on that original ship, and she's a scientist, and I love reading about scientists, so that's a good one for starters. And so far, nothing really has happened, but yeah, I'm creeped out already. I don't like horror books set on the sea. Hey there guys, today is Monday, the last day of this week's vlog. I'm still a little bit sick and have to cough a little bit, but it's much better now. The lighting is horrible. Wait. So now I'm heading out to work. Today I have my lecture again, so we'll see what my voice does after that, but I'm really excited as well. And so far I'm very happy with my reading this week. I have one book on my TBR left now, which I started last night, and I'm about, I think, 65 pages into it, which is Into the Drowning Deep. I'm really excited about this book because this is a very scary one, and I want to finish off my Halloween reading with a very scary book. And then also, I'm still listening to Saw Kill Girls. I just passed the halfway point. I don't think that I will finish it in October, at least that's not my goal, but we'll see how it goes. You know, I listen to it whenever I'm in the mood for it, and we'll see whether I can finish it this month or I will finish it in the beginning of next month. But so far I'm also loving Saw Kill Girls. I really like the dynamic between the characters, and the whole storyline is very interesting, and I'm really interested to see where that goes and who's affected by what and stuff. So yeah, definitely a lot of mystery in that book. So I'm heading off to work, and I will catch up with you later today. Hey guys, so I just got home from work and I had a very good day, and I was listening to Saw Kill Girls, and there is a quite explicit, like female kind of sex scene in this book, and I was listening to it on the bus when like tons of students from some school got in there, like little kids. So weird. The weirdest experience I had ever was an audiobook. So I guess I'll have to listen to that scene again because I couldn't concentrate. I was like, oh my god, there's children everywhere. I really don't like children. So yeah, that was great. But it's around 4 in the afternoon now, and I don't really have any plans for today except for maybe watching a movie and reading, and I have flies in my living room. Yeah, good day so far. So a colleague of mine just came back from Japan. She was there for a couple of days, and she brought me back this super cute library bag. I love it. So cute. So I made it to page 85 of Into the Drowning Deep, and I'm starting zone 2 now. And I wanted to mention that I really like the chapter names because they're inspired by the different zones of the sea, I guess. So as you read on, you go deeper and deeper into the story, and I really like that idea. Yeah, I'm just really interested to see what happens when they set sail now, and I'll keep you updated. So I think tonight I want to watch Get Out. I'm not quite sure how scary that will be. These are all movies that I've checked out from Prime right now because they were like 99 cents. And Get Out is the one that I think will be the scariest out of them all. So I can't watch that with my partner because he really doesn't like horror movies. And I don't know how much of a horror movie that would be. So I guess I will try that today. I have my candle burning right there, and I have some food. And so that's the plan for now. So we're done with watching Get Out. And it was such a good movie. I really enjoyed it. I wasn't sure whether I would like it, but you know, it was nominated for Oscars and stuff, so I wanted to try it, and it was so fucking good. Like, the beginning is a bit slow, but the ending is so well worth it. And the character that is like the best friend guy of the main character, He's so funny. He is so funny. Like, his last sentence is so on point. I love him. So yeah, I'm really glad that I watched it. And if you are not sure about it as well, just go and watch it. Definitely enjoyable. Okay guys, so it's time to end this vlog. I'm not even on page 100 of this book yet, but I'm going to do the dishes and head to bed, and I just wanted to close this vlog off. So if you want to know what I think about this book, you'll have to turn into the next reading vlog, which will just be Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, because on Thursday it's the end of October. And so I will do like those 3 days of vlogging, and then I will do a wrap up for the whole month in this last video. So if you're interested in that, just keep your eyes peeled. It will be up in a week. And so far, I'm just so happy with my October reading. I read so much more than I was even hoping. So I hope you enjoyed this too. If you did, leave a like or a nice comment. I always appreciate those. And I will talk to you next week.